We will now look at how to solve equations that involve square roots, or radicals. Remember, when we were solving quadratics, we often needed to use the square root, but it never showed up in the original equation. We will look now at equations that have x underneath the square root right from the start. And by the end of this section, we will also look at other roots, like the cubed root, the fourth root, and more. But for now, we will start with the basics of solving equations involving square roots. Following what we learned from Frog and Toad, to solve equations, we often undo operations. And soon enough, we will formalize the idea of undo when we define an inverse of a function. For now, let's look at an example, where we find the solutions to x plus 3 equals 5. How would we solve this? We would subtract 3 from both sides to get x plus 3 minus 3, which is just x, equals 5 minus 3, which is 2, giving us the solution x equals 2. So we had an operation, and then we needed to undo it. The operation we had was addition, which we undid using subtraction. If we had an example, x minus 3 equals 5, then we would solve this by adding 3 to both sides to get x on the left and 8 on the right. Here, our operation was subtracting 3, which we undid by adding 3. Similarly, to undo the operation multiplication, we use division. If we're going to undo the operation division, we use multiplication. When we are working with quadratic functions, when we want to undo a square, we took the square root. But notice these all come in pairs. So if we want to undo the square root, then we need to square our equation.